Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching about how to use mBot to get the mBot to follow a line. So, first thing you need to do is make sure the mBot is connected to your computer via USB. It's turned on and you have the mBot software open. Then you need to make sure the correct board is selected in the boards menu and the serial port is connected to the right device. So for me it's COM3, it might be different for you. And make sure the firmware is upgraded. So there's two blocks which you can use to get information from the line follower. So we've got this block, which is so this block returns a value between 0 and 3. 0 means that the line follower is on a black line or a black surface. 1 means the left side of the sensor is on a black surface. 2 means the right side of the sensor is on a black surface, and 3 means 0 of the sides of the line following sensor are over a black surface. So that's a little bit difficult. I always get those confused and mixed up. So this block is maybe slightly easier because it's more straightforward. You can simply say the left side is black or the right side is black. And using a AND operator, what do we want to do? What behavior do we want the mBot to perform? Well, let's think about it. If the line following sensor is getting black returned to it, then this means that it's on a black line. If the mBot is on a black line, then what would you want to do? Well, you just want to go straight forward, right? What about if the mBot is off to the right hand side of the line? Well, if this was true, then the left side of the line follower would be seeing black and the right side of the line following sensor would be seeing white. So in this situation, what would you want to do? You'd want to turn left, wouldn't you? So that you go back towards the line. And if it was the other situation, if you were to the left side of the line, then the right hand side of the sensor would be seeing black and the left hand side would be seeing white. And in that situation, you would want to turn right. In the mBot code, we're going to need some ifs, that's for sure, and we're probably going to be best with if else. So if we are on the line, then we're going to need equals. So if the line follower, now again remember that it's port 2 as default, but you need to check that your line follower is plugged into, and it doesn't matter which port you plug it into, but it does matter that the port you have it plugged into is the port you've selected in this drop down option or drop down menu here. So I am in port 2. So if the line follower is equal to 0, then I want to simply go forwards. Else, and now I can copy this block because I want to just repeat it but change some of the values. So else, so if it's not equal to 0, then maybe it's equal to 1. So if it's equal to 1, then this means it's to the right of the line. So if I'm to the right of the line, then I would want to turn left. And I'm going to duplicate this one more time. And if it's 2, then this means I'm to the left of the line. So I would want to turn right. And for now, well, if I'm completely off the line, I don't really know if that means I'm to the left or to the right of the line. So for the moment, I'm just going to leave this as it is. I'm going to add the when green flag clicked header, and I'm going to click the green flag and see what happens. And nothing happens. Why does nothing happen? Well, because I'm completely over white, so nothing would happen. So let me move it again. Okay, nothing's happening. Why is that? Well, there's no loop. It's just coming in and it's running it one time. So I need to add a loop, and ideally I would like the mBot to follow the line forever. So I'm going to put all this code in a forever loop and put this back under the flag. And I'm going to try it again. So press the green button, and okay, now it's not working. And why is that? Well, at the moment I'm running the code from the make block or the mBlock environment. When you're running the code from the mBlock environment, it takes some time for all the code to be sent to the mBot, processed on the mBot, and then any sensor readings or anything like that sent back to the computer. And then so with these if statements, I'm saying, is the line follower equal to 0? Ask the question to the mBot. The mBot says, yes, it is. It sends that back to the computer. Then the computer says, okay, run forward at speed 100. It sends that back to the mBot. All this takes a bit of time to be processed. And because of that, it's not actually acting on the latest information that it has. And so it's not able to successfully follow the line in mBlock mode. So what we need to do to fix this is we need to take it out of mBlock mode, put it in Arduino mode. So I changed the header from a green flag to the mBot program. To go into Arduino mode, I can either click on the mBot program header there, or I can go to edit and press Arduino mode. And then once I'm in Arduino mode, I can press upload to Arduino and try again. So it takes a few seconds to upload, and it's off. And now it is following the line quite successfully. It's a little bit jerky, the movement is a bit jittery, but it's following the line without any problem. So there you go, that is how to code the mBot to follow a line. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Construct your dreams.